Hello guys, I'm gonna play mini block and there's a boss. It's called LLI Lucena Lights Yotong. Now I'm gonna check on the wall traps made of glass and iron. Bro! it's glitching with brightness. The dog stuck in glass and then dies. Dicing. Ang aso, ba't naka-trap sa glass dito? And this is why. The dog got stuck again when you it kept. Pagkain na talon. The food got jumped. Jumped. Aray mo. What happened? Aray mo, kasakit. Do not laugh. Fish wings. The dog got stuck in a glass trap made of metal and wooden spikes. And then look. Bruh, it grits again with bread. She's so perfect. Boom! It got stuck. Bro, it got stuck. This is impossible. Aso ay yung aso na nakatrap dito sa glass made of metal and wooden spikes. Boom! It trap again. With sound like clay. Kagaling. We have a trophy. Oh, a food. Oh, I don't eat that. It's very raw. Yo, what happened if a bear? What happened if we spawn on bear at this mini hole? Nothing happened. While in rhino, look, wait. What happened if? Wait. Where's rhino? Wait. A rhino got stuck in it. It's too big. And a dog then died without reason. So what happened if this is trap made of glass? What dog got stuck in there? Hey, what happened? Look, it might crash because it's too very. And it's two dogs. Where are there two dogs? The same sound again. And last, what happened if a dog got stuck in big trap? He got redness of this. And if I respond to dog, then he's bro. Look, two dogs, time lapse. Bro, this one got stuck violently and then dies without escaping or just glitch. Bro, it kept. I need some. Alright. And this white alien not visiting us. This is Grey Wolf's sponsor. Wait up. Time lapse of 3 dogs inside the truck made of metal and wooden spikes. Do not laugh. Bro. It's not true. Oh, the one that struck. Roughly, and then dies without reason. It keeps glitching.